Good morning. Welcome to lecture number 8, OPC UA in TIA Portal V16. New project, 21 days trial license and download project to PLC. I have TIA Portal V16 installed on my system and now I open TIA Portal V16 and we will create one new project to make the OPC UA settings. In this view we need to provide the name of the project name. We can make the author and we can make some comments and we can change the path. If you have more than one version of TIA Portal, we can make the change this version. I have only V16 because I installed only to make this course. After we push the button to create, TIA Portal is creating. We need to wait a bit. After this window disappear, we have TIA Portal opened. Let's go now to project view so we can make the advanced option in project view. I don't like this basic view because it's not so nice for me. In this view we can find on the left side add new device, and new device for me is S7-1500 PLC. I have real one PLC, but if you have no PLC in your computer, in your desk, you can use also the PLC advanced option to make this OPC UA course step by step with me, with your actions. I select the CPU. Okay, I don't have the automation license because I don't want to activate on this computer, and system can let me make the skip. I need this because I want to provide the new PLC into our TIA Portal. After I push the skip, system allow me this, but system disable me the OK button. I can't put my PLC into my system. We can find the version. We need to read the version, the firmware version from our PLC on the bottom. Okay, for S7-1500 we need minimum 2.5 to make the OPC UA server, and if we have the PLC with 2.8 version, we can make also the OPC UA client. Okay, I need to restart my TIA Portal, and now I can make the I can't add my PLC. I need to restart my TIA Portal. After I restart my TIA Portal, I can make again the move, and I will make the 21 days trial version for TIA Portal. This trial license is very nice because we can make some courses like this and make this in our home and make this step by step with real environment. I like this in Siemens software because students and some guys who want to make some nice courses with hardware and some simulation can make this in home without the hardware. Okay, I put again, now I put the step 7 professional and activate the license. Now you see my CPUs is light and I can put one of this CPU. I choose the failsafe because I have on my desk the failsafe version. If you have any other, you can select yours. We need to wait a bit because TIA Portal is very huge software, and after we put the PLC into our system, we will try to download this settings into real PLC. Okay, on the left side we have the folder PLC/1 is CPU 1500F because it's failsafe, and PN because we have the Profinet on this. I have my CPU ready. Now we can move some blocks, it's safety blocks, and OB1, it's always first block inside our PLCs. Now we need to make the changes in Ethernet address. I need to put the address I put into PLC before I use the Proneta, and I will provide this in this tab. So we see the Profinet interface X1 and I put the correct IP address. My address is 192.168.1.150. Okay, now we save the project. I need to check my network card if my network is seeing data on PLC. I put the correct number also into my network card. It's connected to PLC directly. Okay, it's enough to make this. Now we can try to download this small project into PLC. On the screen we have the PLC device and interface type. We select the correct interface card we want to connect to PLC. We start searching for PLCs inside this card. After a few seconds we will see the Profinet interface with CPU we wanted. After I put the flashlight, I see on my hardware PLC on right down on your screen, it's flashing, it's my PLC working, and it was the PLC I want to connect to. Okay, now we put the load button. Now system is asking if this interface should be default for the PGPC interface. It's for transferring data to PLC or any schematic objects. I said it's okay, I want to provide this. It's compiling configuration, and after we are ready, the system will download this small program with no blocks into PLC. Okay, I had small PLC program inside, so I need to synchronize. I stop all modules, and after we make the loading finished, we can make the start again our module, as you see on screen. I put the finish, and now my PLC is fresh without any blocks inside PLC. Thanks for watching. Let's go to next lecture.